How to check where an X Twitter account was created. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how to check the origin country of any Twitter account. So if you want to verify where an account was originally created, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. Open your X app on your phone. Now go to the profile you want to check. For this example, I'll use Mr. Beast account. On the profile page, look for the join date. It's usually right under the bio. Tap on it, and X will take you to a page that shows detailed information about the account, including the origin country. Here, you'll see that the account was created in the United States, which makes sense since that's where he's from. You can repeat this same process for any account on X, friends, creators, or even random profiles you're curious about. And that's it. This is the easiest way to check where an X account was originally created. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more quick tutorials.